Those refugees from other country to Europe, I think like Germany and some other European countries provide help them. Wonderful. However, these refugees from different country, I think they themselves also should think their home is their own land. So in their own home, killing, bully, so a lot of suffering. Therefore, they something like escape. So so European countries must provide shelter to them, and particularly children should provide facility for education, and the younger people should provide sort of the training, including some mechanic sort of training. Then the aim is eventually they should return their own land to rebuild their own country. That's my view, right from the beginning. So give shelter. For example, we Tibetan take shelter in India, but